Thank you very much, Anthony. Okay, there's also a planning committee member who's been actually a big part of Hayward. He has had 3 generations of clients. He's an attorney here at the City of Hayward, and a big part of providing, practicing estate planning, probate, real estate transactions is Robert Hsieh from the City of Hayward. So he is one of our planning committee members. Thank you, Bob. Okay. We also have from Heartland Institute. Bob, did you want to say a few words? Bob is not listening. Heartland Institute. Come on over. Do you want to say a few words? We're good? Okay. We have shy people in our planning committee. Here's the thing. Planning committees do a lot of work, and they tend to be the same people that you never hear from. So I have to make sure I recognize them. Otherwise, they never take credit for all the work that they do. So we do appreciate you. John, there's somebody special from State Farm Insurance who is one of our grant sponsors. Please come on, Bob.
Good afternoon. My name is Paul Hong, and I represent State Farm Insurance. And I got to tell you, it's my honor and privilege to represent State Farm. However, the true representation of our organization comes directly from the founder of this organization, and that's our agent in Hayward, John Hsieh. I think about what type of commitment it takes to be a part of an organization such as this for 20 years and have to go through the many different transitions and the evolution of what this festival has come to, and I give him all the honor and privilege for that specific effort that he's put in for many years. Let's give John another round of applause. And as representative of State Farm, my goal as the area manager in this area is really to continue to support these efforts going forward, and whether it stays in Hayward going forward or not, we continue to support John and the cause that this particular organization has. So we thank you for everything you do. It really does take a village to make something like this happen. So thank you so much for allowing me to be here.
Thank you. And I think the answer is we're keeping this in Hayward, right? Yeah! All right. So next, I do want to also recognize we have a commissioner, County Commissioner Dan Chang for Overseas Affairs in Taiwan. Would you like to say a few words, Dan? No, I didn't. Marita Cheng from APAPA, Asian Pacific American Public Affairs Association. Actually, also Marita is from the Asian Business Alliance and the Hayward Eastern Sister City Committee. Marita also has a catering company. Here's the thing. I am going to plug every single business that's participating and planning this because we need to make sure we all support each other. This is how the City of Hayward is going to progress. Today, I'm wearing this beautiful outfit from Royal Fabrics. And Royal Fabrics is in Union City. They were one of the supporters for the last 10 years. Harpreet Singh is over in the back. She and her family own Royal Fabrics. Beautiful place. We're going to have them as one of our vendors at the event. Thank you very much, Harpreet. Okay, Marita. Say a few words to the Hayward business.
Thank you, everybody. So I'm a resident of Hayward for over 30 years and just doing business here also. So first time, welcome. Jennifer's great work for getting the Asian festival here. So I think Hayward needs this also. So we want to show the people what our culture is, and we want to welcome everybody for joining us here today. And also please spread the word. The festival is May 19th, so I'm plugging this also. Thank you.
Thank you, Marita. From Flow Nation, this is a non-profit organization that promotes healthy lifestyles, fighting against obesity, especially for our youth. Former professional baseball player from the Baltimore Orioles, Michael D. Young. Michael, thank you very much for supporting us. We put Michael to work today in not just making decisions and talking about it, but he helped put this together. He's our walking ladder. Okay, so I wanted to also recognize our former city council member from Union City. This beautiful logo was designed by a very amazing architect who happened to also be a council member in Union City. His name is the Honorable Manny Fernandez, who's right over there. Thank you, Manny. Now, here's the thing. we wanted to capture the Asian community and how diverse it is. We keep saying that. And so this is the last year we're using the logo because we have an art contest that's going on, and Melody Baca, who owns Nina's Boat here in Hayward, will actually have, we not only have a cash prize, scholarship prize for the winner of the new logo design, and it'll be a student artist. But Melody will also feature all the submitted artwork at her booth, and then she will have a reception and an art exhibit for the artists to feature all their artwork. She will have a wall at her place of business at Nina's Boat, where she will exhibit it, and if you want to purchase and view the art exhibit, if you are a student and you have some artistic talents, please join us. Ask me about the logo contest. We want to promote our young artists, and this is one of the ways our council member will be honoring us by presenting the award on the day of the event on May 19th. So it's May 19th, it's the Asian Festival. John Hsieh has a few words.
I will take this moment to introduce you the May 19th. We have over exactly 6-hour program on this stage. Okay. We start at 11 o'clock with the opening ceremony, and then we can follow it with 5 non-stop stage performance. We had so far 16 different groups have registered for the performance. So regarding the culture, I really hope that all of you can introduce your friends and relatives, whoever is interested in the Asian Culture Festival, and over here. And the beautiful for this event is that about 10 or 8 years ago, this group, you can see some of them all not
people say it's just right with how much sugar
they
you
learn
have.
about the type of
Coconut
drum.
sweet,
Now
cream
they
sweet.
pick up the type of drum.
So we don't add any sugar. So if we do chocolate, straight chocolate, we don't add any sugar.
Beautiful food exchange culture. So
And we do mango,
enjoy
ripe mangoes. Because people say, how could a fruit be
admission free?
sweet?
Everybody's welcome.
You ask the cows.
Just tell your friends. Okay. See you on that day, May 19th.
People always they have an idea.
All right, thank
Cream
you,
is not
John.
coming.
There were some young people who were about to leave, and I said, no, you don't get to leave until I introduce you. From Cal State University East Bay, used to be Cal State Leaders when I graduated from there. That's just my commentary.
I've given one quart to a friend.
We have volunteers from Cal State East Bay. They have been
15
attending
minutes
our
was all
planning
gone.
committee.
That was
I know
Because
you're
it doesn't-
super shy, Michelle, but could you please just say hello from Cal State East Bay for us?
Ice cream, man.
Hi, we're from Cal State East Bay, and we're so glad to be here. We're planning to have our students come down. This is a great opportunity for everyone that lives on campus. Here with me is our Residence Hall Association President, Gao Zong, another student leader on our campus, and this is a great opportunity to show our students on such a diverse campus what Hayward is really about. So we're happy this is going on.
Thank you very much, Michelle. All right, Gaozong actually is a pre-optometry student. She shadowed us in my office. I'm an optometrist. But I want you to keep in mind, young people, in order for them to achieve their dreams, they need to see someone who's going to be part of their dreams, right? Somebody who looks like who they want to be. So please, if you're a business, try to mentor some young person in your office, in your business. So thank you very much. Okay, so if you haven't grabbed ice cream yet, you can do that. Grab ice cream over there. I see Liz Sanchez from the city of Hayward. Liz, can you come up, please? Liz has been the most helpful in having us, all this that we're using, the spaces that we're using. Liz gets pulled every direction, and she just delivers each time and just provides all the services that we need. Thank you very much, Liz.
Yeah, I grew up in Hayward. Moved to Hayward High, graduated from Hayward High, and went to St. Mary's College on Moraga. And I did a semester out in
Chabot. My dad graduated from Cal State.
Of that?
At the time, it was like, come on, please, that's so close.
Thank you again, Liz. You made this happen for us, so we really appreciate it. Now you have to have it. Okay. All right. So I wanted to make this nice and short. I want to look around though, and I don't want to forget you, Ben Henderson from also the Hayward Asian Cultural Center. Woo! We have one, you know, Hayward Asian Cultural Center. Do people know this? Okay. So the festival will not end there because the Hayward Asian Cultural Center will keep growing from there. Ben, would you like to say a few words about the cultural festival? Or?
Did you live here, man?
No, I live in Queens.
Oh, you're
But my office is in Hayward.
My name is Ben.
But one of the things that we're passionate about, obviously, is
And we are at
dealing with
and
the parents in nice plaza.
yes, sir. Coconut.
Go to school, the students right there. My dad,
We are getting involved in recognizing that Hayward, I think, is the population Asian we think that it's underrepresented in the community, and there should be a lot more
My chief editor.
activities, and I'm looking forward to that, along with cooperation and collaboration of
Our new, we come out
Thank
every
you very much, Ben Henderson. Okay, Royal Fabric, did you want to come up? You're good. Come on up. So, while Harpreet Singh is coming up, John Lee is coming up to the podium here, I wanted to thank On Time Signs, all these banners, the design, everything that you're seeing that's promoting the visual of the entire festival has been because of On Time Signs. So, I'm looking around and one of those folks from On Time Signs is on the phone, but at some point he's going to come out here right now. And we've got Franklin.
to do, but I'm looking for someone that, like you, that can help us craft and put everything together. I can call every day.
Yeah, we could do that. Because we set up things like this.
Right.
No, we help them on like if you need anything or anything else, let me know, and I get you entertainment.
You're looking for me now. Okay.
So, and then if you guys need food, I have a catering company that could do
We have to chat, man. That sounds good.
I'm trying to set up everything is one-stop shop.
One-stop shop. I don't need to go here. Don't need to go here. I need to come to Danny. That's it.
That's it. That's what I'm trying to do.
Okay.
Now, in a few months, I will be starting my nursing school in Hayward. The thing is, I have so many connections. Might as well use it.
She is standing right now. She's in the process of getting all of her credentials together.
I get invited.
She wants to
So Harpreet has helped us in getting more booth members from the Sikh community. So this is the diversity that we're talking about. Franklin from On Time Signs, thank you for the beautiful banners. There is one also on Mission and Main Street that was approved by the city.
I'm a special agent. So I do the Alvarado Nile, the Vedas. Yeah, I bet.
If you guys see any sign, you can stop by and check us out. I want to thank Jennifer again.
Actually, because a lot of my fellow brother Masons
able to sponsor an event like this is quite
He has already been contacted by a few others like
if you have any questions, come see
my uncle was I never figured out why he spent more time in there than I figured out why. They party.
If you haven't grabbed one of our flyers, that's a little bit of our services. You can check it out. We're also
Oh no, they party because they do a lot of fundraising.
Okay. Well, I'm very well connected in the sports world with the A's and with the Giants. And when I have people come to town, they'll call and
When they say they're on time, they're actually early every time we've had something done by them.
Cafeteria.
So